to talk now about how to produce the sound, how to produce every single note. So if I produce the overtones, I need to project it to the audience. So the next exercise is you grab a D and you try to make the beginning, development, and the echo. I always think about to begin the notes, it's like the head of your body. Then I have a whole body, it means that I develop the sound. And then at the end of the note, I make a little echo, and these are the feet. So I begin, I develop, and I let it go. First of all, we are practicing the echo of the sound. This is the next exercise. You grab a D with the first finger and you try to play a note and listen how much echo you can produce. The echo is depending on how you begin the note and how you develop the note. So if you don't develop the note, there is no echo.